Come with us to the North Carolina Arboretum in Asheville to hunt for giants. Right now, the woods here are hiding something special. An exhibition called Trolls, a Field Study by the Danish artist Thomas Dambo. If you've never heard of Dambo, he's a world-renowned recycle art activist. He travels the globe building these massive, whimsical creatures entirely out of scrap wood, old pallets, and fallen branches. This specific exhibit is actually his first ever U.S. premiere of this kind, featuring 12 baby trolls scattered across the grounds. Today we brought the whole family, dog and all, to see if we could find them. For those who haven't been, the North Carolina Arboretum is a massive 434-acre treasure right in the Blue Ridge Mountains. It's got over 10 miles of hiking trails and 65 acres of cultivated gardens. The best part for us is that it's incredibly dog-friendly during the day. As long as they're leashed, pups are welcome on all the trails and in the gardens, just not inside the buildings or the bonsai exhibit. Or if you're planning a trip, here's a pro tip. The Arboretum transforms at night for their Winter Lights event. It's a separate ticketed event that runs through January 4th, where they light up the gardens and 6 of the trolls. It looks magical, but heads up, the night event is not dog-friendly, so if you're bringing your fur baby, like we did, make sure you come during the day. In my personal opinion, you could definitely skip the Biltmore. This was well worth the money, pretty affordable, and very cool. But back to the trolls. It's easy to look at these and just think they're cute photo ops, but Thomas Dambo's work goes a lot deeper than that. His mission is waste no more. Every single one of these sculptures is a lesson in value. He takes these things we usually throw away, trash, debris, scraps, and turns them into something full of soul. It's about showing us that waste is just a failure of imagination. In a way, these trolls are protectors. Dambo writes backstories for them, where they are often observing humans, confused by how we treat the planet. They invite us to step off the concrete and back into the woods. It's not just about looking at art. It's about the hunt. You have to explore, hike, and get lost a little bit to find them. In the Arboretum's gift shop, I found not only a few pieces of literature by the artist himself, but some really beautiful Christmas trees, and of course, you know I love mushroom foraging, so this tree really spoke to me. I didn't end up purchasing anything because it's not exactly van life friendly. This was probably my favorite troll out of all of them. I definitely have way too much screen time and need to get off my phone more. And yes, you are encouraged to interact with these trolls. They do have trail cams to ensure that everyone's being respectful, but you are absolutely meant to interact and really have fun. It's all about play. This is one of the only trolls that we didn't get down and see up close and personal, but I absolutely loved this exhibit and it was totally worth it. Have you been?